What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we are going to review another stocking stuffer for your dad, your mom, or whoever is in DIY. Right here we have another magnet wristband. All right, I showed y'all the other ones. I showed you the other one that was pretty cool. Let's see how this one will compare to the other one. All right, so this is called magnet wristband. This is almost like the other one that I just reviewed. Right here on this, you have a pocket, which is pretty cool. I guess you could put stuff inside. You got another pocket. Let's go ahead and check out the magnet. So we're gonna put a couple of bits on here. We're gonna put our extension for our drill. Sticks pretty good. Let's put a bit, another one, another one. So the magnet is pretty strong. I am wiggling very hard. Let's just put this screwdriver for fun. Screwdriver is on. Now the weight of the back of here is what put the screwdriver down. But if it's on your wrist, you're gonna be pretty good. So let's put this on the wrist right now just to check it out. All right, let's try to make it tight as possible. All right, that's as tight as I can make it right now. So it's on my wrist right now. And let's move the table real quick. And that's about it with that. So we can move this to the side. If you want to put some more bits on here, you can put it on this side. If you want to put some more bits together, you could put that here. Let's see. You could put these together like that, and then you could put more here. Put more in that slot. You might not be using the screwdriver. You might be using bits or sockets. So something like this is good for carpenters or auto mechanics. Auto mechanics could use this. They could put their sockets on and have it right there on their wrist while they under the car. They don't have to keep going to the toolbox. They could put their sockets that they need. They could put it right on their wrist. So if you like this review, please leave a like. I will gladly appreciate that. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment box and hit that notification bell so you can get notified on when I drop some more cool products. So we are going to put this back and we are going to give this to somebody and put it in their stocking. Like, comment, and subscribe.